Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address in Lazada account. Adding a verified email address ensures account security, order updates, exclusive offers, and better communication. To do this, you either have to visit the official website that is lazada.com from your browser or download the Lazada application on your device from the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. Here, I have already downloaded the application, so tap Open the application. Once you are in the home page, tap on Account section located on the bottom right. Now, tap on the Settings icon located on the top right. Here, you can see various options. Tap on Account information. Now you can see your account information right here, including your phone number, Lazada ID. It also enables you to change your password, enabling fingerprint ID or disabling it, enabling or disabling quick login, add mobile number, and right below add mobile, you will see change email. Tap on it. To protect your account security, it is essential to verify your identity first. You have to choose a way to verify your identity. It may be email verification or the Google account. You can tap on any. I will choose email verification. Now you will be sent a verification code in your email address. You have to check your Gmail account for that. Tap on the mail from Lazada Thailand. Then scroll down and you will see your code that is written right here. This is your email verification code. You can copy the code or just enter it manually. After this, tap on Verify Code. After the verification process, you have to enter your new email address right here. Once you complete entering your new email address, tap on Verify Your Email. Now you have to check your email inbox for the code. Tap on the mail from Lazada. You will see your verification code right here. Enter this code in Lazada. And here you go, you have successfully changed your email address. Remember to add verified email address to ensure your account security, order updates, exclusive offers, and better communication. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.